Sorry for the shit quality. I was a little excited and didn't set up the good camera. Printing the raft for my first piece. Only thing I printed before this was a little bit of thread just to make sure it was heating up right. MakerBot Thing-O-Matic. Mark 7 head. Printing the example hexagon that came with Replicator G. I won't make you watch all this. Thing-O-Matic. I got tons of plastic. I got 5 pounds of yellow, orange, and silver. A pound of purple, a pound of glow-in-the-dark, and a pound of natural. That's good for now.